Can I be honest with you? If you are constantly exhausted, struggling with intense sweet craving, right after you finish your meal, and noticing your hair shedding excessively every single time you wash or brush it, you might be chasing the wrong solution entirely. See, most women over 35 or 40 know a little bit about low iron. Am I right? And thankfully, more women are starting to learn. And just what? Learn about what? They are starting to learn about insulin resistance and blood sugar spikes. But almost nobody is talking about the dangerous crossroads that happen when you are dealing with both at the same time. See, today, I am going to show you how this hidden double whammy literally starving your hair follicles of both oxygen and cellular energy. Shifting your hair into what I call a permanent state of survival mode. See, if you have been applying growth oil faithfully, anyone? But your edges are still tiny. Your body is trying to tell you something. And I think my very question is like, are you listening? See, we are going to fix, your internal soul today, so your hair can finally thrive. Welcome back to Queen Belly's Hair Restoration. I am Coach Malaka, holistic nutrition health coach and menopause hair restoration expert. I don't know about you, but I am so ready to put out everything about science. Because when I'm looking through in my own life, everything I do, I'm questioning myself. What is the science behind all of this? So if you are ready to go deeper than superficial product and heal your system from the root level, make sure just what you hit the subscription button on this channel right now. So let's dive in. See, as you wake up every morning and you see your hair shedding, but guess what? You don't know why. Your doctor is telling you, listen, I think you are anemic, but you didn't able to do to connect or have a perfect connection. But today I'm going to do that for you. Let's talk about the first half of this double threat, low iron. But I don't mean standard iron. What I'm saying is that I am talking about ferritin, which is your body iron storage tank. Let's give it that image. See, think of ferritin like your hair follicles bank accounts. Oh yes. Where when your body want to build healthy, strong hair strength that don't snap. Like you just pull it and just your hair just snap. No, it needs to draw from that account. And maybe you'll be like, why, Coach Malaika? I'm glad that you want to know. See, because iron is responsible for the production or producing hemoglobin, which carry oxygen to your hair cell. So without that production, ladies, our hair doesn't get the oxygen that you needed. Hear me out, ladies. Your hair is considered a non-essential tissue by your amazing, amazing intelligence body. Oh yeah. So if your iron storage is low, whether that is from years of heavy menstrual cycle, poor gut absorption, or dietary gaps, your body faces a choice. See, does it send that precious oxygen to your lung and heart to keep you alive? Or does it send it to your scalp to grow beautiful, strong, and long hair? It's going to choose your survival every single time. See, without oxygen, your hair follicles literally suffocate. Yes, suffocate. See, growth slow down. The hair strand become weak and thin. Just what? Eventually, the follicle complete shut down and drop the hair. This is why so many of us experience massive shedding and widening parts. Who can relate to this, ladies? See, but now imagine what happened when you add the second threat to the mix: blood sugar spikes and insulin resistance. Every time we eat carbohydrates, for example, or sugary food, and let me talk to my African and Caribbean queen. Oh yes, because see, you guys can really, because you know exactly that our food are just nothingness, our traditional food or dishes can be so heavy in heavy carbohydrate, Lord help us, like rice, yams, and fufu. Our body breaks down into glucose. So your pancreas then release insulin to carry that glucose into your cell to be used for energy. You see how smart the body is? But you got to make sure that the environment is ready. See, but when we experience chronic stress, for example, poor sleep, year of constant snacking, and blood sugar spike, what do you think is going to happen, Queen? Our cells get overwhelmed. They will pull the blend down and stop responding to insulin. See, this is what we call insulin resistance. Anyone? Maybe you are today, maybe you are dealing with, diabetes. Actually, it started from there. Now, your body has to pump out more and more and more and more insulin just to do the same job. And when insulin stays chronically high in women's bodies, guess what? It triggers systemic inflammation. That's the one that we don't want to play with at all. See, even worse, for women over 35, moving through perimenopause and menopause, high insulin can cause a surge in androgen, male hormone, like DHT. Ladies, isn't this body going through a lot? Oh, yes, Lord. But what do these androgen do, actually? I'm glad that you want to know. See, they target your beautiful crown and your delicate edges. Oh, yes. Miniaturizing the hair follicles until they become so tiny, they can barely produce a peach pulse. So look at the nightmare your scalp is facing, ladies. Low iron means your follicles have no oxygen. Let me say that again. Low iron means your follicles have no oxygen. And insulin resistant means they are drawing in inflammation and metabolic stress. It's a double whammy. Oh, yes, it is. And I think that's why a lot of us, we are so frustrated, because it's not just we don't have the right product sometimes. Sometimes we do. But the thing is that our soil is so compromised. So here is the connection that no one, when I said no one else is telling you, but I am here to give you all. See, these two conditions don't just exist side by side, ladies. They feed into each other. That's even what makes it so dangerous. See, when you have insulin resistance, your body cannot, I've said again, your body cannot efficiently convert food into cellular energy. So think about what happened to your body then. Your brain feeds starve for food. And our brain needs at least by, I think, 65% of fat alone in order for our body to work. Our hair even to get some type of nutrient. See, so which trigger your intense uncontrollable sugar and carbohydrate craving. You eat the sugar, your blood sugar spike, insulin shoot up, and systemic inflammation get worse. Do you see the cascade of what is happening to our body? And guess what? Inflammation does to your gut. Guess what inflammation does to your gut? Ladies, it damages your gut lining. If your gut lining is inflamed and compromised, you cannot properly absorb the mineral from your food. It doesn't matter how good nutritional your food is. Meaning you cannot absorb your iron. You see how the cycle trap you? Your sugar craving worsens the inflammation. The inflammation destroys your gut ability to take the iron or in iron. And now your hair follicles are completely starved of both oxygen and energy. Do you guys see what I'm talking about right now? The dynamic duo of how our body works. This is why you cannot, or you can spend, you can spend hundreds of dollars on luxuries, hair serum, grow oil, you name it, and expensive vitamin, but see absolutely zero results or zero change in your hair scalp. Who can relate to this, ladies? You are pouring water into a plant with rotten roots. So basically, you are pouring water into a plant with rotten roots. Oh yeah. Your hair health is not separate from your metabolic health. No. It is an outward reflection of your inward harmony. I keep saying that this on this channel all the time. See, the body is connected. We can nourish one and forsake the other one. It won't happen. Now, take a deep breath, Queen. Say, who's... Say, take a deep breath for me. Just breathe. I am telling you all of this not to scare you, ladies. No. But to empower you. If your body creates this environment, your body also knows exactly how to resolve it when you give it the right support. Think about it for a minute. So, don't be afraid. This is not about perfection, ladies. No. It's definitely not about starvation or diet, put yourself into this type of diet that we actually starve you. No. But it's about grace and strategy. See, here is the three that I want you to focus on, that you can start doing today. I promise you, you will see the result. So to break this double trap, are you ready for this? Number one, prioritize protein. Ladies, a healthy fat first. Protein and healthy fat first. With your carbohydrate spike. See, because when you're eating carbohydrate with all your protein and your healthy fat, you are not giving your body a break. When you eat breakfast, ensure it is packed with high quality protein and healthy fat, like avocado, olive oil, raw nuts. You see what I'm saying? This stabilize your insulin level and completely kill those afternoon sugar craving. A lot of time we are craving is because your body is telling us that, hey, something is missing. Now, number two, support iron and vitamin C. See, like I can digest iron alone. I have to support all the time. Take my vitamin C with iron. See, if you are focusing on raising your iron level, always pair your iron-rich food with just what? Mineral support with vitamin C. Like a squeeze of fresh lemon we do, juice or leafy green vegetable. This drastically improves how much iron your gut can actually absorb. What is the point if I'm eating all of this food and my body is not taking in? That's why it's so critical when it comes to iron, ladies. Always supplement that with vitamin C. Now, number three is move intentionally. After you eat, ladies, don't just sit down or go to sleep right away. After a heavy meal, take a gentle 10 to 15 minute walk. This is yesterday, we went to a 1 hour walk and it felt so good. This simple habit allows your muscle to soak up that glucose out of your blood without requiring your pancreas to pump up massive amount of hair-damaging insulin. Every time the insulin pump more, just what it damages our beautiful crown, ladies. Now, if this video open your eyes today, I want you to go down to the comment section, write and type internal healing matters. See, let me know of this symptom you have been fighting through alone. And you don't have to do this alone. That's why I'm here to help you up, ladies. So if you're a woman over 35 or 40, dealing with tiny edges, or stubborn weight gain and fatigue, stop trying to guess your way through. Stop trying. Because I want to invite you to actually used to be 15, but I shifted to 1 hour just because I love you guys. 1 hour discovery call. Where I will actually see where you are right now, look at your unique story, and find your true root cause. And together, we can go ahead and just create or show you where you are now and where you want to be. The link will be pinned in the very top section of this video. In our next video, ladies, we are going to take this step further and talk about how meal timing, and constant snacking affect your gut internal cleaning crew. Again, this is Coach Malaika. I am so honored to be here. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video. Remember, guess what? Listen, remember, you have the power. Yes, I like to hear that. You have the power to transform your health, one nourishment choice at a time. I will see you in the next video, Queen. And my prayer is this, that you live your best life. Ciao for now.